Have you ever felt a dull ache in your lower abdomen and wondered what could be causing it? Deep inside your pelvis are two almond-shaped organs called ovaries. Their job is to release an egg every month. To do this, they contain tiny fluid-filled sacs known as follicles. Think of a follicle like a small balloon that grows as it prepares to release an egg. Normally this balloon pops to let the egg out and then it fades away. A cyst happens when this process hits a snag. If the follicle does not release the egg, or if it keeps growing instead of shrinking, it fills with extra fluid and becomes a sac called a cyst. There are different kinds of these sacs. Functional cysts are the most common and happen as part of the normal monthly cycle. Dermoid cysts are different because they can contain various types of tissue like hair or skin. Endometriomas are sacs filled with old blood that form when tissue from the lining of the uterus grows on the ovary. You can picture the formation like a simple path. A follicle starts to grow. If it fails to rupture, the fluid keeps building up inside. That trapped fluid is what turns the follicle into a cyst. Most of the time you might not even know a cyst is there. But if it grows large, it can cause pelvic pain or bloating. You might notice your periods become irregular or feel pain during certain activities. These symptoms happen because the cyst takes up space and puts pressure on nearby organs. If you visit a doctor, they will likely use an ultrasound. This machine uses sound waves to create a picture of your internal organs. On the screen, a cyst looks like a dark round bubble because fluid does not bounce sound waves back the way solid tissue does. You might wonder when a cyst becomes a problem. Most are harmless and go away on their own. Doctors start to pay closer attention if a cyst is larger than 5 centimeters or if the ultrasound shows solid parts inside that should not be there. Treatment depends on what the doctor sees. Often they suggest watchful waiting, which means checking back in a few months to see if the body cleared it naturally. Sometimes birth control pills are used to stop new cysts from forming. In rare cases, if a cyst is very large or causing severe pain, a doctor might recommend surgery to remove it. A common fear is that all cysts are cancerous, but this is a myth. The vast majority of ovarian cysts are non-cancerous. Another worry is that they always cause infertility, but most cysts do not affect your ability to have children. Understanding your body is the first step to feeling in control. Ovarian cysts are a very common part of reproductive health. By knowing how they form and when to seek advice, you can take better care of your health with confidence. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.app.